Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to delete channel and server in Discord. So guys, in order for you to delete a channel, just click edit channel over here. And from here guys, you can just delete channel. And if you want to delete this, you will have a confirmation and just delete a channel. And as you can see, that channel will be gone. And if you want to add guys, just click over here. But guys, if you want to delete all of these, the only option that you have is just delete the whole server in order for you to remove everything. So from here, just click over here. And then from here, guys, just click server settings. And once you are here, just scroll down to the very bottom. And from here, as you can see, you can delete the server. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.